Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that demonstrates the concept of recursion. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel, especially to Marshmallow, Daven, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Rubelin. If you want to be shout out in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. When we say recursion, it is the algorithm or the ability of a code to code itself to solve a problem. Recursion makes our program more efficient. We can optimize and makes our program run faster, and then it makes our code shorter. According to my research, recursion was created by a American mathematician named Stephen Klein in 1930s. So here we have your Java util scanner for input output, and then we have your public class factorial, the name of our class, public static void main. It is a method in Java for the starting and ending point of our program. And then here we have here a variable int integer. So when we say integer, if we are new with programming, it is refers to a data type that accepts only whole positive number including 0 without any decimal places. And then here we're calling the Java util scanner, and then we create an object input, and then we have here the title of our program, Factorial, a number using recursion in Java. Give a number, num, input next int, and then we have here now factorial num. We are calling method factorial underscore recursion num, and a program, and then we close our scanner here, input close, and then we close our class, and then we close here public static int factorial underscore recursion. We have here one passing parameter n. If n equals 0, if the user will keep 1 or 0, it will return a value of 1. Else, if it is false, and we call its own body factorial underscore recursion, open and close parentheses, and -1. So this portion is calling itself until such time it can solve the factorial value. And then we close our class here, factorial. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Basically, I'm using Eclipse as my IDE for Java developers in writing this program. Okay, so let us compile and run so that we can test our program. Factorial a number using recursion. Give a number, let's say 6. So the factorial 6 is 720. And a program. Another example, we have 5. The factorial 5 is 120, and a program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a factorial number using recursion algorithm in Java programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.